Hey guys, what's up? I'm Shashi here from ElbaTec again with another video here. So in this video, let's see how to install Windows apps and save new files by default in external drive. So let's get started. First go to Windows settings and navigate to system settings. In that, go to storage. In storage, go to the option change where new content to be saved. In that, change all the storage destinations to your desired drive. And click on apply for each of them. Once done, all the newly generated files and newly installed apps will be saved in this new drive. For some people, the default drive changing option will be here itself. So please check it once in the main page of the storage settings also. So your newly installing Windows apps will be saved in this newly changed drive, as you can see here. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. And if you have any issues, queries, suggestions, whatever it may be, mention those things in the comment section below. I will try to answer those questions as soon as possible. And if you aren't subscribed to ElbaTec before, subscribe to ElbaTec now for more videos like this. Also don't forget to enable the notification bell button beside subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye now.